about arrange the decimal numbers from least to greatest. So I'm gonna arrange this. Yes, these numbers. As you can see, they're all jumbled and rumbled up, but I have the first example, so you guys don't get crazy.
Read first the problem.
Oh yeah.
Read the decimals. How will you read it
So
properly?
number 1, you read this as 0, and you don't call this point. You call this and. So
And
you call this as 0 and 30 hundredths.
yes, diyan tumadid to igbaw. Hundreds. And here place
you
value.
You can pause the
You can
screen if
refer.
You can pause the screen if you want to read it.
Hundreds. Hundred and hundreds nga place. And decimal. Yada, ikaduha. That's why. And 0 and 30 hundreds. Next is
0 and 12 hundredths.
mm-hmm.
And the last one is 0 and 8 thousandths.
8,000 hundreds gada ma.
Oh, I mean hundreds.
So, anong
So,
ginawa?
here's an example. So here we have this numbers. Like we go to the highest one or the greatest.
We
one.
just
Arranged it
arrange it.
from big to least.
Mm.
Like 0 and 30 hundredths to 0 and 12 hundredths to 0 and 8 hundredths. So we put this as 1, 2.
Kaya ano nga number 1 answer 1?
But the title said arrange the decimals numbers from least.
Paano nga ni nasabot nga number 1 hiya because in
Because
this
this is the greatest number.
paano
This
naging
is the least
greatest?
number.
Kinalawan nim didi.
Yes.
You look at this place value,
You line it
the
up.
tenths value, and then the greatest number is this one. The next is this one and this one,
Yes.
right?
This is the
So
last.
since it is the greatest, we put it 1, and the second greater value, decimal value is this one, and the least is this one. But since the instruction is to arrange from
the
least to
decimal from least
to
to
greatest,
greatest. We
we
put this as 3. I mean 1,
1 as the 2 and
3. Because
3.
this is the least.
And we put it
As this arrangement. It's 0.8 hundredths, 0.12 hundredths, and 0.30
Now,
and 30.
you solve for number 2.
Okay, now let's do this. Do this. 4 and 6 tenths.
You do the same at this side.
4 and 6 tenths. 4 and 1 hundredths. 4 and 50 hundredths.
Okay.
So let's start.
You have to arrange that
Yes.
by aligning the
Already
decimal
from the greatest.
numbers. 4.6.
50.
Bisagit mag-rumble anak.
Oh,
Ayla na i-arrange diretso. Una kun ano, imo naman light egg. Okay.
6.
4 and 6 tenths, 4 and 1 hundredths, 4 and 50 hundredths. Okay, which is the greatest?
So we put this as 1.
No?
Yes.
4.6? 4 and 6? No.
Stop saying no.
No, sige.
Why?
Anit na gidakit value.
Here.
No.
Here.
Oh, di ba ang first place value? Yan, okay. Next. Okay.
2.
Next. So, high naman yan at pinakagote.
1.
Next.
2.
Next.
3.
So, how will you answer it now?
So I do this. My answer is just don't look for a
Anit
moment.
na ang una?
Don't look for a moment. I said don't look for a moment.
No, kailangan makita process. Ay, di dapat cover. And then, 4 and 50 hundredths and 4 and 6 tenths. That's okay. Next.
11 and 8 tenths. 11 and 7 tenths. 11 and 5 thousandths.
Okay.
11 and 23 hundredths.
Okay, dito ka nga side pag-solve.
So,
Okay. Kopya nga how.
okay, yeah. So we're doing English.
Then 11 and 7 tenths. 11 and okay, 5 thousandths and 11 and 23 hundredths. Saan ang nangunguna?
1,
Oh, the next.
2,
The next.
3,
Okay, lidungi it. Lidungi. 3.
and 4.
Okay. Or order it to the greatest. To the least.
Okay,
Least.
okay.
Ang pinaka-least is number... No. Yun ang nga number 4. And then the next is descending kasi. And then...
3 and 4.
Okay.
So now I do this.
So, 11 and 5 thousandths and 11 and 23 hundredths, 11 and 7 tenths, and 11 and 8 tenths. Correct.
Okay, now let's go to number 4. 25 and 1 thousandths. 25 and 2 hundredths. 25 and 76 hundredths. And 25 and 43 hundredths.
Okay.
Let's go here.
Solve.
Yes. So let's get to the biggest one. Okay, the biggest.
What is the biggest?
There.
Okay.
1,
Next.
2,
Next.
3 and 4.
Okay.
Or 4 and 3.
No. 3. Okay. But since the instruction is arrange the decimal numbers from least to greatest,
You put this 1, 1, 2. Yeah, 2, 3 and 4.
okay, write your answer.
Oh no, we don't have space anymore.
Didi na light ilarum.
Now I'm gonna erase it.
No, ayaw pag irisa.
I know.
Didi na lang as ilarum.
Over here.
Kaya ma, didi kamit ilarum. Didi ka ma-answer. Dito ka nalit ilarum.
Sure.
At the bottom of 25.43. Ay, at the
Here?
bottom of 25 and 43 hundredths.
Here?
Dida. So, which is the first one? Okay.
I
No.
know.
Oh, yes. 0 and 2 hundredths. 25 and 43 hundredths and 25 and 2 hundredths.
What do you mean?
Oh, 25 and
76.
hundreds. Correct. Pero nanim correct.
4.
Di might counted niya number 1 kaya akon may tinatag niya sample. Next, the last one.
Where's the erase race? Erase race. Oh, found the erase race.
Do not erase. Didi ka na pag-solve.
No, I'm not so weird.
Ganyan talaga at mathematics. You cannot answer accurately if you cannot solve. Di ba?
Yeah.
So, it takes patience.
Oh. Only 3 numbers. So from the biggest. The biggest. Okay, the biggest.
Okay.
Bigger. So here. I think this one's bigger.
No.
What do you mean? This one?
No.
This
You-
one?
Kay may da mamagpareho.
This is 0.
Yes, pero kay may da mamagpareho dida.
So find this
Move
one.
kahit another.
So this one.
No,
One.
diri.
No, it's not.
Magpareho
It's
makasiya.
It's
Diri yan
9.
number 1. So, di waray la anay, di ba?
Yeah.
So, di ni magpareho. Yan nila nitin paglabana, ini nga duha.
What about this
Compare. Ayaw la na, distract la na iton.
one? 1
Oh, and then next is, oh, Ayan,
Three?
di ba? Ganun lang yan. Ito lang muna yung titingnan mo. You have to compare this two kasi almost the same value. An iya din he. An iya tens place. Niyan, kay magpareho mati ka nga di, move ka nga di, compare niya di. So,
So
yun
this
yung
one's
number
the
1.
least?
Ha?
So this was the
Oo.
least.
Yan yung number 1 nga greatest. Yan din naman greater, yan din naman least.
Yeah.
Diba? Kay 0 mahiya didi.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
1, 2, and 3.
No. No.
Are you serious?
1. Hay na 1.
Here.
Oh, from least. Okay, number 1, ang least mga to greatest. Tapos ikaduha, okay, that's correct.
Yeah, good. Yes. Sure.
Nakakalitit numbers, ano?
Yeah. Kudak nalilito. Ikaw lang.
Mamaram
That's
sug.
why I'm kind of angry.
Ha?
That's why I'm kind of angry.
Ayog ka angry dama. Bisa ni teacher, lalo na kung stress ti kang na magtinot-duit mama, tapos dudto pa din eh.
Okay.
Okay, very good. Can you do that without my
No.
guide?